Today we're going to take a quick walk on an available 2025 Galeon 400 fly that's sitting inside the Clearwater showroom and available for immediate delivery. First thing you're going to notice along the aft is we have a fully hydraulic swim platform here. The steps actuate out as the hydraulic swim platform goes down. And then along the whole transom here, we have a nice summer kitchen, grill, sink, and a small wet bar area to be able to maximize the enjoyment on the water. This is all fully opened up to the cockpit here, and you have port and starboard beach mode wings, which actuate down and give you some additional space on board. We have a very nice L-shaped sofa here that opens up fully to the full salon. Inside of the salon, you're going to notice we have a tri-folding door which fully opens up. The sofa here, this section, will flip out to completely fill in this sofa, so it's one long piece of entertainment. We have a nice high-low table here, and then you have opposing seating over here with the electric television. You're going to have a galley forward. It's going to be on the port side here. You have everything you need, your convention cooktop, your microwave, refrigerator, all opened up right to the helm. Now at my favorite spot we're going to see is we have a double wide seat here, full electronics, one piece glass, so you have amazing visibility, especially while you're underway. VHF radio, your bow thruster, your autopilot, everything's conveniently located. And again, if we're running the boat, we can hold conversations with everybody on board that's enjoying the ride. Now, one of my favorite features here at the helm is going to be the fully open door here on the starboard side, so you can gain full access right to the midship cleat if we're docking. And then you have access to be able to move forward to grab the cleats or get forward to the windlass. Nice sun pad here, 3 people across, cup holders, and again, it's not going to really put any kind of hindering on the visibility while you're underway. Now what you're going to notice, we have 6 molded steps working your way up to the bridge, and you have a full wraparound seat on the starboard side, fully coverage here with the bimini top, and then your full helm electronics, so you could be able to enjoy up here while you have some nice weather, or have visibility on the port side if you're docking. As we work our way down to the lower level, you're going to notice this boat is a full 2-2 layout. One of the best parts is going to be the full beam master here, which gives you great hull windows, visibility all the way across, ample storage, very, very large berth here. And then you also have an ensuite, which has a separate shower. So in the forward stateroom, what we're going to have is you're going to have your day head here, which is actually connected to the forward V berth. Nice separate shower there. And then in the forward V berth, you have a double bunk setup. And if we remove this center piece, we can actually move this together and have a single berth.